Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable sweeping to switch page function on the YesWriter application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and you can find different buttons. You just go to the lower bar, click to the My option, and tap to the last button, the settings. You just go to the personalized settings under the startup page, and here you can find the last button, the disable sweeping left or right to switch page on the home page. Actually, I use the sweeping function, but if you want to disable, just click to the next white circle, and if it will be turned green, this function will be disabled. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.